In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and manage tasks using Pipedrive's virtual assistant. Whether you're new to Pipedrive or just looking to optimize your workflow, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to keep your activities organized and your productivity at its peak. First, let's start by heading to the Pipeline homepage. This is the central hub where you can access all of your Pipedrive functions. Familiarizing yourself with this interface will make it easier to navigate as you streamline your activities. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see an array of options. Look for the Activities tab and give that a click. This tab is crucial because it houses all of your scheduled activities and tasks. Regular review of this section ensures you're on top of your to-do list and helps prevent tasks from slipping through the cracks. The next step is to locate the calendar icon. You'll find this in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon is like opening the door to your organizational hub. It'll take you to the Activities tab. Within this space, you can view your tasks and activities clearly laid out. Now, let's explore a powerful tip to manage your tasks more effectively. Inside the Activities tab, you'll see various features that allow you to filter and schedule activities effortlessly. For instance, the plus add activity button is your go-to for creating new tasks or scheduling important meetings. This feature is quite intuitive. You can simply click it, fill out the necessary details, and voila, your new activity is set. To maintain a clutter-free schedule, consider syncing Pipedrive with your external calendar. This method not only helps you consolidate your commitments in one place, but also minimizes the risk of double booking. On top of that, Pipedrive allows you to use color coding to keep track of your activities at a glance. For instance, overdue tasks are conveniently marked in red, while scheduled ones appear in green or black. Another helpful feature within the Pipedrive ecosystem is the ability to automate activity creation. As your deals progress, you can use workflow automations to seamlessly add activities related to those deals, enhancing your productivity and ensuring you spend less time on manual data entry and more on closing deals. And there you have it. By navigating the home page, utilizing the Activities tab, syncing your calendar, and leveraging automation, you're setting yourself up for effective task management in Pipedrive. Thank you for watching this guide, and may your task management journey be as smooth and efficient as possible.